to my channel. So today we are going to play the game Free Fire, but we are going to play the game in classic mode or ranked mode. So now when you log into Free Fire at the first time, when you download it, it shows that are you new to shooter games, some experience in shooter games, master in battle royale. So I'm choosing beginner so that you can understand very. So guys, so I'm entering the game right now. Now I'm in the game. You can buy different guns. So I buy the powerful gun. These are my teammates. They also have different kinds of guns, and we can shoot. So guys, I'm going to shoot people right now. I'm jumping down so that I can see the people. I got knocked down, so I can not respawn. So this is my teammate. I'm dead right now. My teammate is also knocked down. And so we are in round 2 right now. I'm going to buy this gun, and if you want to move, you can see this thing over here. You can move like this, and you can turn. Here you go. We started the game right now. I'm going through the corner so that no one sees me, and from back side I can come and kill people when they are trying to kill my members. So one guy is right here. I got knocked down again. I'm here with my teammate. All of us are not knocked down. There's one more member only. And he knocked down 2 people at a time, so that he has a better chance to win. This round, I think we are going to win because this guy is playing very good. But OMG, we got defeated. So guys, this is round 3. I'm going to buy this powerful gun so that I can have better view. Also, it has a scope right here so that we can kill people. And I'm going to the top so that I can scope. We can see a person right there. We got knocked. We got a person knocked down. 2 persons knocked down. So we can get stuff after we kill them. I'm going to get some HP so that my health goes up. No. I'm getting shot.
Double kill.
I got defeated. OMG, I didn't expect this. So guys, this is round 4. I'm going to buy the same gun and I have a better chance to win this time because I have armor on. So they can't shoot me if I have armor on. I have powerful armor also on. Let's start the game. I'm going to the scope tower. my two members are getting shot. I'm going to go and help them. One guy got knocked down and one guy got a health potion. So guys, I'm going to escape from here right now with my friend, because he knows where the person who knocked him. OMG, we both got defeated and they won this round. The game is over. So guys, in the next video we are going to play the game again. In the next video we should compulsory win the game. And please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.